we sat down to build our CoachGlass feature, we wanted to build you a defensive assistant. There are 3 different ways to use the CoachGlass feature. Number 1 shows you the percentage of the time that the offensive runs a certain personnel group. Once they've selected a personnel group and it's on the field, we then automatically give you 3 defensive plays to select from. These defensive plays are sourced through crowd data, so all of the games that are played online, we track the play versus play data, then we flip to a threat window. When they're in this personnel group, this is the number 1 threat, this is the number 2 threat. The second way to use our CoachGlass feature is a little bit more in depth. Rather than waiting for them to pick a personnel group, you know that previously when they've been in this down and distance, they're gonna throw to the right short. You can select by region on the field, whether it's gonna be a pass or a run, and then where they're gonna throw or run to. You tap that region, then we'll recommend plays based on what they've done to you in that game. We'll give you the best recommendations against those plays. The final way to use the CoachGlass feature, and this is probably the most hardcore, we simply track all of the play versus play data throughout the game. You'll start to find patterns in what your opponent's doing, and you'll start to know what he's calling. CoachGlass works no matter how you're playing. It'll work in any mode, in any gameplay experience.